We all have a good idea where our kidneys are without looking at a photo of the anatomy. But can we state the location of adrenal glands? These two grape-sized glands sit on top of each kidney. The glands secrete a stream of hormones into our system which regulate our immune system, metabolism, as well as blood pressure. Additionally, these hormones are what allow us to manage stress. In today's video, we will take a look at one natural homemade recipe that will improve the functionality of your adrenal glands. There's no set measurement, but you'll want to create a mixture of about 2 tablespoons, just enough to eat before breakfast. First, you will need to assemble the following ingredients: Brazilian walnuts, dried parsley leaves, pure natural honey, ground ginger, raisins. Preparation procedures. Place Brazilian walnuts and dried parsley leaves in a blender. Blend these 2 ingredients. Add honey, raisins, and ginger. Consume this adrenal gland booster 2 or 3 times a week. In no time, you should notice improvement not only with fatigue, but your hair will have a natural luster. Also, those brittle nails may be a thing of the past.